Hello everybody, I'm James. Today I'm going to give you a quick walk around tour of our latest used car in stock. This is a Peugeot 2.8 Signature in navy black. So it comes with the chrome grille with LED daytime running lights. And you have 16-inch alloy wheels. Overall the car is in a good condition. The interior is cloth, but I can tell you firsthand that these seats are extremely comfortable, ideal for those longer journeys, but suitable for short ones too. You have firelight to cool, keep fit windows. Your children won't have a clue what these are. You also have 2 additional ISOFIX mounting points here in the rear. You also have 2 rear cup holders. And here at the rear, you have rear parking sensors, with this being the Signature model. And going into the boot, the boot on this 2.8 is massive for the size of a hatchback, and you have a light on the left hand side. Underneath here you do have your spare wheel with all your tools to take off and change the wheel at the side of the road. This 2.8 has only covered 60,678 miles, but that will rise you to test drive. So you have serial mounted controls on the right and left, with cruise control and speed limiter behind the wheel to the left on its own individual stalk. It can go up in increments of 1 or 5. In the middle you have a 7-inch touchscreen display. Here you have all of your screen settings. Here you have all of your driver functions and vehicle settings. You can see any text messages as well as photos which you may receive, and you can connect to the car by Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink and Android Auto. You have automatic lights as well as wipers. There you have all your climate controls and USB port to connect to the car. So the right hand side you have your child locks, you can turn off your parking sensors as well as eco mode, and you have your headlight adjustment. If you're interested in this Peugeot 2.8 Signature, then please give us a call on 01244 88 30 79. Thank you and have a very good day.